All right, folks, check it out. We're back for another video. This video, look at this. We broke the mirror on the plow Jeep. Now, I didn't hit anything. Basically, I was just driving and I noticed my mirror looked a little off. And when I came here, it was not resting fully against this. It was kind of sticking out a little bit, but anyways, I just pulled it and it just pulled right out. So looks to me like it got all rusted out with the old yeah. Anyways, so here we go. Apparently there's some screws right here that we're gonna take care of. So I got my trusty Jeep toolkit here, and I believe that one of these fits that. Not that one. That one's a little big. That's for the roof. Boom. That one looks perfect. So we're gonna see if this will do it. All right. Oh, that's tight. Oh, but it's working. Let's see if I can loosen this one now. Okay, got him. All right, so basically, just gonna finish taking these bolts out. Oops. I guess I should probably undo the window. So, hold that thought. I'm gonna undo the window real quick. Alright, so took these two bolts out from the mirror and basically just pull that bad boy out. Look at that. This is what winter driving, and part of this is from snow removal, but part of this is also from the Utah winters and getting all that. Holy cow, that's horrible. I need to I'm gonna grab a little vacuum, see if I can vacuum some of that stuff out. Alright, so I got that cleaned out the best I could. I need a better vacuum. But we've got this new mirror heater I got off of Amazon. I will link it up in the description below. But basically, as you can see, put that bad boy in there like that. Okay, I'm gonna come around here and use the door. Got that one in that hole. We got that one in that hole. So we are going to tighten this up and I'll show you. All right, so there you go. 2 simple bolts to replace the mirror on the Jeep. Now, hopefully that'll last us a little bit, but like I said, the other one just kind of broke off on the inside there, a little bit of metal. This isn't a really secure connections. So driving around here in Utah or salt states, you get water kind of down into there. And driving, obviously driving on salted roads, spraying it off, water gets down in there, and then I spray it and wash it, and water gets down in there. And then when the salt gets down in there, basically once it's sitting in there and drying out, like, I don't know what it is, but like salt, it kind of starts forming crystals again. I don't know, it's really weird. Sometimes I'll use gloves and they'll be wet. I'll put them in the truck. They'll be kind of wet, right, with some salt on them, like just because I've been throwing salt. And I'll come back and use them the next storm, and they'll have like this much salt formed on the gloves. Like, I don't know, it's weird. It's like crusty salt. But anyways, I believe that's what's happening on the inside of here when that salt gets down in there. So I'm sure the other one's just as bad, but I only bought the one for now to replace the one. That's it. But remember, smile more. No, not more. Smile every morning. Every morning, just smile. When you wake up, just give a big old teaser. Smile to yourself. Be grateful that you woke up for the day. Peace out. Have a good day. We'll see you in the next video.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.